exclusive news. The Department of Education's decision to revert back to the old school calendar in the next school year was met with backlash from San Carlos and Luis National High School students, saying it is rushed and unplanned. Despite DepEd's reason to avoid class suspensions brought by El Nino, students argue that proper research should have been conducted beforehand.
Agreeable yung reason nila kasi nga mainit, pero malaking adjustment yung gagawin. Hindi lang ng students, pero pati yung teachers kasi. And to implement yung pagbabalik ng dating school year, it takes time kasi and kailangan munang maproseso. Kailangan muna ng mabusisang pananaliksik bago nila ibalik kung ano yung gusto nila.
This is Vanessa Di Macali, your fearless news trender.